In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you the exact way to connect your Discord chat with Restream chat. So first of all, you have to come to this link restream.io/chat, and here click on open in browser, and you directly jump into the Restream official chat page. Here click on settings and click on Discord. Click on connect Discord, so automatically share all your Restream chat messages directly into Discord, and from Discord to the Restream chat. Just click on connect Discord, and here select a server, in which server you want to connect the Restream chat. I'm selecting this topical talks server and clicking on continue, authorize, ensure that you are not a robot, and here channel settings, I'm selecting the general and welcome channel, clicking on save, and that's it. I have successfully connected my Discord chat with my Restream chat. And now, as you can see, I'm in Restream chat panel. If I send some message here, as you can see, the message also showing on my specific Discord server general channel. Here we can see the message from Restream. And if I send some message from my Discord, also the message will appear in my Restream just like this. So that's how you can actually connect Restream chat with Discord chat.